I hope you are able to see my screen, right? Upendra? Hello. Can you confirm that you are able to see my screen? Upendra, Santosh. Hello.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Are you able to see my screen?
Yes, sir. Good morning, sir.
Yeah. Are you able to see my screen, Rupendra?
Yes, sir.
And am I audible? Tuple, dictionary, set. Okay. There are a few more. Okay. We'll see one by one. Give me a second. Okay. So whenever we do, right, what you say, either it's a string or integer, Rupendra, how many we have? We have only either a string or an integer, right? But
Yes.
whenever I say list or tuple or dictionary, these will have multiple strings and multiple strings or numbers. That means you can have more than one variable. Okay.
Yes.
Let me give one. Say if I have a numbers list. Okay. Previously, whenever I say x is equal to, I can give only 10, right?
Yes.
This is variable declaration. Now, whenever I say list, list will always start and end with a flower bracket. Sorry, square brackets.
Square bracket.
List, list always starts and end with a square bracket. So if
Enclosing an
what I will do,
element
I
in
will
square
just say,
bracket.
here Upendra,
Yes, sir. तो सर ये मैं लिस्ट का थोड़ा सा चेक कर रहा था तो उसमें मेरे को ना इनका इंक्लूडिंग एलिमेंट जो है वो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट से होता
can you come again?
है सर एक्चुअली हाँ मैं बस यही देखा था कि लिस्ट का जो इंक्लूडिंग एलिमेंट्स है वो स्क्वायर ब्रैकेट से ही होता
Uh-huh. Previously, we don't have any brackets, right? Now, within the brackets, we need to
है यस
declare,
सर
okay? And whenever we
यस
need to declaring, right, these things, we need to give few things, okay? Let's say if I want to give list, let's say I will give L1 as a list. So I started with an open bracket and close the bracket. Now, if I want to declare if it is a number, okay, so I'll give 1, comma 3, comma 4, comma 5. Okay, then enter, and if I press L1, So it, okay. Let me take a new kernel. Better. Just copy this one. Just give me a second. Let me reconnect with this thing. Okay. I'm stopping the kernel and restarting the kernel. Okay, just give me a second. Let me open again. Okay. I'm just reconnecting. Okay. So just reopening. So it will reconnect, Upendra. There's a known issue with the Jupiter. Just give me a second. It's still loading. Localhost is not responding. Just give me a minute. So how could I say here it is still in the start, right? We previously executed and it is still pending. Okay, it is still going. Just one couple of minutes. Start was not found. Extended link successful. created the link. Okay. Now the local host is enabled. One more minute, Rupendra. Just give me a minute.
Okay, sir.
So basically, this list or tuple, right, where you could use more. Okay, and not only either a number, you could also use number, integer, okay, sorry, number, string, okay, on a multiple basis. And you could also create an empty list, okay. There are few things that we could do, we will see, okay.
Yes, sir.
Go down to this. Or the executor each and everything. Sorry, Harpina, sorry, there is
Yes,
a
sir.
network glitch. So now you see my screen, right? Hello,
Yes, sir.
Upendra, are you able to see my
Yeah, I'm
screen?
here, sir.
Host disabled. Hello, Santosh, can you
Yes,
give
sir.
me co-host again? Santosh,
Yes, I can hear you. Yeah.
Santosh, hello. Just give me one.
Yes, sir.
Ask what I'm calling this. Hello, Santosh, hello.
Yeah, hi Durga. Is there an issue because I can hear you?
Can you give me host? Can you
Yeah, I
give me
can
a
hear
host?
you. So Rupendra is not able to hear you? Hello?
Yeah, I'm unable to share my screen.
Okay, okay. Let me make you host.
So,
Yeah, you are host now.
okay.
You can share your screen, Durga.
Yes, yes, I'm sharing now. I'm sharing now. Okay. So what we have done, we have taken a new notebook, okay, and we given a new list. Okay. No
Okay,
issue,
sir.
Rupendra. Whenever these things, right, Jupyter will be hanging out. You need to create a new notebook and create a new connection. Okay. So when I say L1, see now it gives me and list of 1345 which we define in the top. Okay. So this
Yes, sir.
versatile, okay, whenever whatever we have inside the square brackets, okay, or what we call as versatile container is a storage of collection of items. These items could be either a string or an integer or a float, anything, okay, you could have. And this is something known as the features, basically, like these are ordered. Okay, that means when you give it's a specific index. Now, in the same, like we learned about index right previously. How the Python index starts from 0 to n minus 1, where n is len of the string, right? In the same
Yes, sir.
way, here also we could use the same order. This would be every time this will be in the same order. Whatever the index that we given, this will be fixed. Let's say if L1 of L1 of one one item. Okay. So what would be L1 of one? It would be three, right?
Yes, sir.
And we can also use len to understand how many.
How many characters?
See, len is 4. So len of 0 or L1 of 0 is 1. The same index, okay? The same index where every time the position will be same. So this is an ordered. Ordered means each time whenever we take, it would be in the same specific order. And these are mutable. Mutable means you could add to the list or delete to the list. Okay?
Yes, sir.
You could
Yes, sir.
add few items or delete. This is known as
Yes.
mutable. Mutable means you could do anything.
Mutable.
And slicing.
Modify कर सकते
Yeah, slicing. Slicing is where you could identify the index, okay, and you could slice as per your requirement. Let's say I will give A is equal to, or let me slice the list L1 brackets, double quotes 2. What will be the output over here? This is 1, 2, 1 comma 3. So whenever we have a list, whenever we are using more, it will also give a subset of the current list. Okay. And I said it's an mutable, right? Mutable means you could add or delete. Okay. So if I want to add an item, what I will do? I will do L1 dot. Now, whenever I got a dot, I will call a method. And this method would be append. What it is
append.
called?
Append.
Append. Append. Now, what I will give? I will give an item name. So let's say I will give
Six. Six.
name. Okay, just like this.
Yeah.
Name.
Okay.
Now I'll call L1. See, now
Yes.
instead of the current list 1, 3, 4, 5, now there is something happened where it appended.
Add a
Appended
name.
always will add an item at the end of the list.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's say I will give one more list and see. Let's say fruits, 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 and I will give apple. See, whenever I want to use a string, I will always use double quotes. Okay. Oh,
Yes, sir.
banana, cherry. Now let's say I will go 5, comma 6, comma 8. Now if I call this a fruits list, okay, what I will get? I will get all the elements that are available. Now, if I want to append, let's say if I want to append dragon fruit over here, okay, but I want
Okay.
in between 5 and dragon fruit, cherry, okay,
Between cherry and five.
yeah, in between cherry and 5, okay. Now,
Yes, sir.
because I just want apple, banana, cherry, next I want dragon fruit.
Yes.
Now, let's say if I append this, okay, let's say if I have append fruits dot append, what will happen if I use append?
Append. Then
Fruit
add
dot,
and
let's say if
add
I
in.
do append we already see. What we have understood, if we given dragon fruit,
Fruit.
okay, enter, and if I call fruits, append give me dragon fruit at the ending. I don't want that.
Yes.
I
Yes,
want
sir.
in between cherry and 5. So what I will do
Yes.
is, I will re-execute this, okay. Now there is something command known as insert. What it is?
Insert.
Insert. What I will do? Fruits. So again, if I
Fruit.
call fruits, right? Now I will have only
Yes.
this fruit because I have see I have re-executed line number 11. So only fruits will have apple, banana, cherry. Okay, I will show you how
Yes.
to remove later on. Okay. Now what I will do, fruits dot insert. What I have given? Insert command. Now in insert, what I need to give
Insert.
is I need to give an index. So which index I want? Apple is 0, banana is 1, cherry is 2. That
Is
means I want to
2.
insert at 3, right?
Yes.
Comma. Now dragon fruit. Now if I use fruits,
Yes.
position, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So here what I got, whenever, okay, uh, we give a list, it is mutable. That means we could alter the list, okay? Now it was
Okay.
in reverse, it is in a ascending order, right? Now what I'll do is I'll just, if I want to remove the cherry or let's say if I want to remove apple, what I will do is there is something known as fruits dot, okay, remove. Okay, I want to give what is the thing that I need to remove. Apple. Now, then again call fruits. See, it removed apple.
Yes.
Okay, and I don't know which one. I mean, I don't know which item I need to remove, but I know the index. So let's say if I want to remove the second item, I am not sure which item it is, but I want to remove based on the index. But over here on the second item, it would be dragon fruit, right? 0 banana, 1 cherry, 2 dragon fruit now. Because apple has been eliminated, already removed. Now, what I could do is I will say pop, not P-O-P, fruits dot pop. Now what I will do is I will just give index. What it given? It give me what is the this one it deleted, and if I
Dragon fruit.
use fruits now, it will give banana, cherry, 5, 6, 8 because it has removed
Yes.
popped out the dragon fruit from
Probably dragon fruit.
fruit.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now let's say if I want to sort this, okay, then there is something known as list dot sort, okay, or for here it would be L1 dot sort. What happened? Sorry, L1 not, sorry, my bad, it's fruits, right?
Now we working. Oops.
Not supported between, okay, okay. So whenever you want to use a sort or reverse sort, right? You need to have only either numbers or integers. Okay. So whenever we have integers, it will be able to sort basing on number ascending to descending. Whenever you have only names, then it will do for names by ABC, A to Z. But whenever we have both, right, it's difficult to sort, right? So that's why it's giving this error. So let me create one only numbers list or only fruits list. So what I'll do, I'll give another fruits list. Okay, then I'll give only A, comma, this is just for sorting. Okay, comma Z,
Yes, sir.
comma D, comma S. Okay. Now what will go here? Let me execute the above one itself. Fruits dot sort. Now let me take fruits. See, once I sorted, right? Previously, what I have given
Yes,
fruits
sir.
is equal to A, second is Z, third one D, fourth one is. Now, once I sorted this, right? Now, in the current fruits, it's like first one is A, second one is D, third one is S, fourth one is Z. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And there is also something known as reverse, or what you say, reversely ascending. So, what I'll do, fruits dot reverse and close brackets. Now, if I call fruits, now what I will have is, I will have a different order system where it starts from Z to A and
Z,
it's used in the
S,
current list as Z, S, D, A.
D, A.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
So, we can also use, okay, for I in fruits, print I. So here we are writing. So this is an iterable which we already thought, which we already said right in the initial. These are iterable, mutable. Okay, so
Yes, sir.
you could use a for loop over here. For each instance, it will take the indexed item and you will give the answers. I mean, the loop will be executed accordingly. Any questions?
No, sir.
Okay. I thought to complete couple, but anyway, we are able to do only one thing.
Mm,
Tomorrow, what we'll do is we'll do tuple, okay, and set and dictionary.
okay, sir.
Complete
Dictionary.
two. Okay. Any questions,
Okay, sir.
Rupendra?
No, sir.
Okay.
Dictionary.
Try to work it out on list. Okay. We'll see you
Okay,
tomorrow.
sir. Sure, sir.
Thank you. Bye. Have a great day.
Thank you, sir. Yeah, sir.